Burnchurch Castle, located approximately 6.5 kilometres southwest of Kilkenny City in County Kilkenny, Ireland, is a well-preserved example of a 15th century Norman tower house. It was constructed by the Fitzgerald family, also known by the surname Barron or Barron, who were associated with the House of Desmond. The castle remained occupied until 1817. The structure stands 6 stories tall and is notable for its numerous passages and chambers within the walls, including a secret room on the 4th floor. Originally, a great hall was attached to the tower's exterior, but it has since disappeared. A distinctive feature of the castle is its 12.5-metre-high circular turret, which remains intact. The castle's design includes stepped battlements, characteristic of Irish tower houses, and the gable-end walls extend 1 story higher than the other walls, forming elongated turrets with their own rampart walls. In 1993, Burnchurch Castle, along with its turret and the nearby Church of Ireland church, was designated a national monument. Adjacent to Burnchurch Castle, across the road, stands a now ruined Church of Ireland building. This church was commissioned in 1810 by the Board of First Fruits, an organisation responsible for funding Protestant church constructions in Ireland during that period. It was built to replace an earlier medieval structure on the same site. The church remained active until the 1940s, after which it fell into disuse and eventual ruin. The architectural design of the church is characteristic of early 19th century ecclesiastical buildings in Ireland. It features a single-cell Gothic-style structure with a tower that may have originally supported a spire, though both the spire and roof are now missing. The surrounding graveyard contains a mix of burials reflecting its long history and the site's significance to the local community. The area of Burnchurch is known as the Church of the Crypt. This name suggests the presence of an earlier religious foundation, possibly dating back to the medieval period or earlier. Today, both the castle and the church stand as historical monuments, offering insights into the architectural and religious history of County Kilkenny. Visitors to the site can observe the remnants of these structures and reflect on the rich heritage they represent. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment if you have visited Burnchurch, and a sub would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.